Hello, Richard, County Battery Services. A few tips for home improvement. This one's about my allotment garden and what I do with my tomatoes. Now I've just been down to the allotment and I only actually went to water, and I've got plenty of beautiful tomatoes, far more than I can eat, so I'm going to freeze some. Now it's always a bit of a problem to get them out of this bag and put them into a smaller bag. So what I do is get a jug like this, and then it's quite easy to drop them in or even tip them straight into there. Okay, so there you are, 3 of them all bagged up. Now what would have been a better idea was to take the jug, take a bag and actually do this at the side. However, I didn't, so here's the shortcut. Now, when we come to defrost these, I put these in the freezer, freeze them, and we use them for sauces and soups throughout the year. And these tomatoes taste far better than those that you seem to find in the shops. But what we do, we take one of these bags, because it's the right size, we empty it out, we drop it in there, fill that with boiling water, and actually then you just squeeze them and the skin comes straight off. It's really quite quick and effective, and a fantastic way of getting good tasting tomatoes and great food all year. Richard, County Battery Services, thanks for listening.